Imagine stumbling across an ancient jungle temple and realizing it could be hiding $1 billion in gold beneath your feet. Sound like a movie? Think again. Ancient gold, lost artifacts, sacred relics, and royal jewels that have never seen the light of day. Welcome to Bright Minds Station, where every mystery opens a door to the past, and maybe even a secret vault of treasure. Across history, temples have been more than just places of worship. They've been secret vaults, time capsules of kingdoms long gone. Today on Bright Minds Station, we uncover the most mysterious hidden temples that could still contain treasure. Some of these temples are lost in legend, while others are very real, waiting silently to give up their secrets. Stay with us till the end, because one of these ancient sites might just be the key to a lost civilization. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bright Minds Station, and ring the bell so you never miss a single mystery from the ancient world. Kothduwa Temple, Sri Lanka. Located on a small island in the Madhuganga River, the Kothduwa Temple may look modest at first glance, but beneath its peaceful exterior lies a powerful history. Legends suggest that this temple was once used to hide the sacred tooth relic of the Buddha, one of the holiest artifacts in Buddhism. While that relic has since been moved, locals still whisper about treasures hidden beneath the temple's floors during times of foreign invasion. According to stories passed down for generations, monks buried gold statues and royal offerings deep in the temple's foundations to protect them from colonial looters. Excavation is prohibited out of respect for the site's sanctity, but some believe ancient riches still lie untouched, sealed away in underground stone chambers. Wat Phra, Sanphet, Thailand. Once the most sacred temple in the capital of the Kingdom of Ayodhya, Wat Phra, Sanphet was said to house the royal treasury of Thai kings. When the Burmese invaded in the 18th century, the temple was destroyed, but rumors say the attackers never found everything. Statues of Buddha once covered in gold, hidden vaults beneath the main prayer halls, and artifacts from across Asia were all said to have been stored here. What's haunting is the fact that many of these areas remain unexcavated. Over time, jungles reclaimed the ruins, and modern-day efforts have yet to fully explore what lies beneath. Could these temple grounds still be hiding the lost wealth of an empire? Many historians believe the answer is yes, and the truth may lie just below our feet. In recent years, metal detectors near the outer wall picked up readings consistent with buried alloys, prompting speculation that the real treasure might lie outside the temple ruins. Local treasure hunters are forbidden from digging, but the myths continue to lure whispers of a royal vault sealed by stone and time. Sree Moolam Thirunal Temple, India. In southern India, there are whispers about a nearly forgotten temple known as Sree Moolam Thirunal Temple, once maintained by Travancore royalty. Unlike the famous Padmanabhaswamy Temple, this smaller shrine faded from memory. But local lore suggests it served a secret purpose, acting as a secondary treasury for sacred artifacts, backup wealth, and ceremonial objects too dangerous or powerful for public knowledge. Though largely closed to the public today, some believe hidden tunnels and underground rooms still exist beneath the overgrown ruins. Stories tell of sealed chambers no one has dared open, guarded by inscriptions in ancient languages and warning of curses upon intruders. It's a temple shrouded in silence, but that silence might just be hiding a fortune. Lingaraja Temple, Odisha. One of India's oldest and most revered temples, the Lingaraja Temple in Bhubaneswar, has stood for over 1,000 years. Known for its towering architecture and sacred rituals, it's also rumored to be the resting place of enormous offerings made by ancient kings, offerings that were never meant to be seen again. Some accounts suggest that gold, silver, and gemstones offered by devotees over centuries were not taken out of the temple, but stored in secret underground chambers to preserve their sanctity. With strict religious protocols and very limited access to certain areas of the temple, the truth may never be known, but the mystery only grows with time. Could its stone floors be hiding a hoard of divine wealth? Which of these temples would you explore first? Drop the name in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're loving this hidden history. Prohm Temple, Cambodia. You may recognize Prohm from the Tomb Raider movies, but this overgrown temple in Angkor, Cambodia has stories that are stranger than fiction. As part of the ancient Khmer Empire, Prohm was once a thriving center of learning and devotion. Today, nature has wrapped it in thick vines and silence. Local legend says that somewhere within this temple complex lies a sealed vault containing the lost crown jewels of a Khmer king. Others claim that monks buried sacred scrolls and ceremonial relics beneath its foundations before fleeing invaders. Despite multiple archaeological digs, parts of the temple remain untouched, intentionally or otherwise. Could the jungle be guarding something more than ruins? Chavin de Huantar, Peru. Nestled high in the Peruvian Andes, Chavin de Huantar is an ancient temple complex built by the mysterious Chavin civilization over 3,000 years ago. Though it's officially an archaeological site today, many believe the temple still guards untold treasure buried deep within its maze-like tunnels. The Chavin people were known for their advanced knowledge of architecture and astronomy, and the temple was likely a sacred pilgrimage site. What truly fuels the mystery, though, is the underground labyrinth. Narrow stone passages twist and turn beneath the temple, some of which haven't been fully explored due to their complexity and instability. Hidden chambers, drainage systems, and sealed doors suggest the site may have once protected religious artifacts, gold offerings, or ceremonial tools meant to stay hidden from outsiders. Locals say the mountain still hums at night, as if the temple is whispering ancient secrets waiting to be discovered. Somnath Temple, India. Rising proudly on the western coast of India, the Somnath Temple in Gujarat is more than just a sacred site. It's a survivor of time and turmoil. Believed to be one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, Somnath is dedicated to Lord Shiva, has been destroyed and rebuilt over a dozen times throughout history. What makes it especially mysterious is the legend that it once held a golden pillar suspended in midair, encrusted with jewels and containing ancient scriptures and cosmic secrets. Arab invaders reportedly looted the temple multiple times, but whispers remain that not all the treasure was taken. Hidden underground chambers, inaccessible sanctums, and tunnels sealed for centuries suggest that something sacred and powerful may still be buried beneath. Pilgrims speak of a unique spiritual vibration that resonates through its walls, a feeling that something ancient, perhaps divine, still pulses at the temple's heart. Whether it's treasure in gold or in wisdom, Somnath continues to invite awe and speculation. Wat Ratchaburana, Thailand. Located in the heart of Ayutthaya, Wat Ratchaburana is both a spiritual monument and a historical enigma. Built in the 15th century by King Ratchaburana II, it contains a towering prang, temple tower, that hides something far more intriguing, an underground crypt that once held Thailand's most valuable treasures. Gold artifacts, royal regalia, sacred statues, some of which were stolen in a notorious looting in the 1950s, were once stored in its heart. What's chilling is that the looters only scratched the surface. Archaeologists believe the crypt may have additional chambers that were never accessed, still sealed beneath layers of stone and time. Decorative murals and ancient inscriptions found inside the prang hint at rituals, secrets, and royal offerings that remain buried. Many believe the temple still holds sacred relics hidden in plain sight, waiting for a future that may never come. From the foggy jungles of Cambodia to the silent mountains of Peru, hidden temples continue to fascinate us with their legends of lost treasure and forgotten history. They are monuments not just of stone and gold, but of the dreams, fears, and beliefs of ancient civilizations. Whether guarded by curses, nature, or sacred vows, these temples still keep their secrets close. Would you dare step into one of these ancient ruins if you knew treasure might lie beneath? Tell us your boldest pick in the comments. And if you're craving more mysteries like these, subscribe to Bright Mind Station and tap the bell. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and keep exploring. Right here on Bright Mind Station.